team because we pretty much make all the parts that go on the end of the robot. If machining did not exist, then we pretty much would have no robot to work with other than a couple of gear modules that we purchase from the store and other electronics components. Machining makes all of the aluminum parts that go on the robot. I've been in Code Red for 4 years now, so I'm a senior this year. And the reason that I decided to join the team was because I went to a lot of Code Red demos as a kid, and I knew people who were on the team, and it sounded really fun, so I wanted to join. So our general process for machining parts is by first taking a square aluminum stock that can either be 1 inch by 1 inch or 1 inch by 2 inches, and we take that and we cut it on the bandsaw. We'll cut it into pieces that are roughly the right length. And then we'll make markings, very precise markings for where the part's actual length should actually be. And then we go in on the mill and we cut across and make very clean, very square cuts. And then afterwards we'll drill holes either using the mill or we'll use electric drill, and we'll drill holes that way.
So I was interested in joining machining because, well, you gotta cut stuff in metal too. It's pretty cool. I mean, I did like a lot of tech stuff when I was in 8th grade, and I really liked it. So machining was one of my options. Well, today I just cut up a frame of the robot because we didn't really need it. So I threw in the scrap bin after using the bandsaw. So I also helped mark up a pole, and then they cut it.
What's up, baby?
Okay, bye.
Yeah, as you can see here, this is the whole, like after 5, it's all Code Red. And then here, E1. This is the room, everybody has to Why are you so slow? This is crazy, right? Oh my god. This is where now they do visions, we prepare food, and yeah, let's put this on the What are you doing? And let's actually over here. What are you doing? Wait to the camera. Wait to the camera. Oh, I'm gonna face this way. And try not to look. Oh, look at Ethan. What are you doing right now? Right now, can you guys all wave aggressively to the camera, please? Wave aggressively. Ian, wave aggressively. Wave aggressively. Thank you. This is the hallway to go to the very important place, which is E16, as you can see over here. Stop laughing. So this is the place where they do CAD computers. I have to put my goggles on. Okay, they're doing stuff. People actually work here, and that's to make them out of pen. To make diagrams, CADing. What do you want to tell us? Do you guys mind waving aggressively to the camera? Thank you. Okay, this is what? Nice to meet you. It's awfully heavy though. That's what bothers me. I don't care about it.
Now what?
We're done.